In this video, I'll guide you through how to redo in Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is an essential tool for working with PDF files, whether you're editing, reviewing, or just viewing. Knowing how to efficiently navigate through your action history can save you time and improve your workflow. Today, we're focusing on the redo function, which allows you to step forward through your action history after making an undo. Redoing can be a real lifesaver if you've accidentally undone something important or simply want to revisit a prior state of your document. Let's dive right into the process. The easiest and most efficient way to redo in Adobe Acrobat is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you're working on a Windows computer, you'll want to press Shift plus Control plus Z. For Mac users, the shortcut is Shift plus CMD plus Z. These shortcuts are specifically designed to help you quickly step forward through your actions, making your editing process smoother and more intuitive. Now, let's break down why this shortcut is so valuable. Imagine you're editing a complex PDF document. You've made a series of changes, and at one point you decide to undo a particular action. However, after reviewing, you realize that undoing wasn't the best choice. Instead of redoing all the steps manually or trying to remember each action you took, this shortcut lets you seamlessly redo the last action with just a simple key combination. This can be especially useful in situations where precision is crucial and every minute detail matters. It's also worth noting that mastering keyboard shortcuts like this one can significantly enhance your productivity. Instead of navigating through menus or searching for the right option in the toolbar, you can perform actions swiftly with a few keystrokes. This efficiency not only saves time but also keeps your focus on the task at hand, rather than on navigating the software interface. If you're new to Adobe Acrobat or not as familiar with keyboard shortcuts, it might take a bit of practice to get used to. But once you incorporate this into your routine, you'll find that it becomes second nature. Also, if you're someone who frequently switches between different operating systems, remembering that slight difference between Control and CMD for Windows and Mac respectively will make your workflow much smoother. To wrap up, using Shift plus Control D on Windows or Shift CMD on a Mac is the quickest way to redo in Adobe Acrobat. Incorporating this into your regular workflow will help you move through your document edits more fluidly and efficiently. With practice, this simple trick will become an indispensable part of your PDF editing toolkit. So next time you find yourself needing to redo an action, remember this shortcut and let it streamline your workflow. Happy editing, and thank you for watching.